I'm going to show you how to install Codex or OpenAI's Codex. First, you want to go to openai.com/codex, and then you want to click on Download for Windows, and it will take you to the Microsoft App Store. You can also open up the Microsoft App Store on your Windows and just look for Codex in the search. And then you want to click on Install next to Codex right here. And this should start downloading the app. Now, once it finishes downloading, you will just need to click on the Open button to open up the app, or you can double click on it on your desktop. And this should open up the Codex app, which looks like this, as you can see here. And the installation is pretty much done. If you want to watch how you set it up, you can watch the next video on the complete setup guide. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.